Your ad rank is key to the success of your PPC strategy. The position of your ads depends on your bidding strategy, quality score, and your ad extensions. Having a strong strategy for these three factors will help you position your ads on the top of Google and Microsoft's search engine and gain higher exposure for your products or services. In this video, I will give you fast and simple steps to help your PPC ads rank higher. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications button. Now, let's dive in. Organize your ad groups. Creating tightly teamed ad groups that are relevant to the keywords you use will help heighten the importance between the ad and the search query. All the keywords in an ad group should share a high degree of meaning. Research your keywords. Keyword research will give you a strong foundation for your PPC campaigns. You need to identify the keywords that are being used, how important they are to users, and the quality of traffic they will drive to your website. The keywords you choose have to match your landing page and ad messaging. You can use tools such as Microsoft Advertising Intelligence Tool, Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, SEMrush, or Answer the Public to do both keyword and content research. Work on your landing page experience. Your landing page is the first page people see after clicking on your ads. If it does not offer a good user experience, your quality score will be affected. Make sure your landing page is easy to use, has a low page loading time, and its content matches the search queries and ads that link to it. Tip: use GTmetrix, Pingdom Speed Test, Google Page Speed Insights, Web Page Test, Google Mobile Friendly Tests, or Bing Mobile Friendliness Tool to evaluate your landing page. This will give your development team a better idea of what needs to improve to increase your quality score. Focus on showcasing relevant ad extensions. Don't use extensions just to fill in a checklist. Use them to make your offer stronger and drive action. Make sure you analyze what ad extensions fit your objectives and your specific ad. For example, if you are promoting an emergency walk-in clinic, you should have both location extensions and call extensions within your ads. This way, customers will know where to find you and how to get in touch with you immediately. Likewise, if you want to drive higher website traffic to your lead generation website, site link extensions are a must. Improve your ad relevance. A poor ad relevance is usually seen when someone copies ads from one ad group to another without editing the keywords and tailoring them to the new ad group. To improve your ad rank, you can start by ensuring that the top keywords of your ad group are in the copy, and trying to incorporate these into the headline, body, and display URL if possible. Also, make sure that all of your keywords are relevant to the ad group that they belong to. Voila! Following these simple and fast steps will help you improve your Google Ads or Microsoft Advertising ad rank and quality score. If you have any questions, leave your comments below, visit our blog, or contact me.